So here I have a percent. Even though there's a decimal percent, it's still a percent. Okay? So to go from the percent and make it a decimal, so to drop percent sign, we're going to move the decimal to the left. So now I have 0.0004. Okay, now I want to make it a fraction. To make it a fraction, think about how many decimal places we moved this over. So this would be the same as 4 divided by, anybody know? Yes, there are 4 places, so because this is 4 places, there has to be 4 zeros in the denominator. And keep it with the ones. Always do like 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, right? Start with that, and then we can reduce from there. So 4 out of 10,000, and again, it's 4 zeros because there's 4 spaces. Does 4 go evenly into 10,000, you guys? Yeah, so that'd be 1 over, 4 goes into 10 how many times? Twice, so we'd subtract 8 and have a 20 left over. 4 goes into 20, 5 times, and then a 0, 0. So 1 over 2,500 would be the reduced fraction. So this is part of my answer, and then that's part of my answer. All right? So let's try another one. Make the given percent a fraction and a decimal. So 22.5% is the same thing as 22.5%. Okay? This is still a percent. So now I want to make it a decimal. So Hannah, where do I move this? Good. And so Riley, what do I get for my decimal? There you go, 0.225. Okay, moved it 2 to the left, so now I have decimal. And then we want to do the fraction. So start with the decimal and put it over either 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So Will, how many spaces do I have here? 3, so how many zeros do I need at the bottom? Good. So 3 would be 1,000. Okay. And now we need to reduce that. Maddie? Okay, how'd you get that? What'd you divide these by? Yeah. Good. So we could actually divide these each by 25 if you want to do it that way. Might go faster. 225 divided by 25. 25 goes into 100 4 times, another 100 4 times, and then another 25, so we get 9. And then 25 goes into 100 4 times, and then there's a 0 at the end, so 40. And then that does not reduce any further. So my fraction, always reduce, is 9 over 40. 1/4%. So again, that's not 25%, right? It's a 1/4%, which is actually 0.25%, which is still a percent. So now I need to make it a decimal. So Julia, what decimal would this be? Close. We move it over 2 spaces. We're going to have 2 zeros in front of the 2.5. Okay, then we have to make it a fraction. These are all equal to each other, so I'm putting equal signs. They're all equal. All right, so Riley, how many zeros do I have to have in the denominator? How many spaces here? Yeah, 4. So we need to do 25 over 10,000. That would be 4 zeros. And then reduce that. Those are both probably divisible by 25, right? So 25 goes into 25 once. 25 goes into 100 how many times? And then there's 2 more zeros. So 1 over 400